Do you want to avoid a rookie mistake at the craps table? Do you want to keep the game moving like a pro? So let's walk through how to buy in the right way without slowing down the action, frustrating the dealers, or getting side-eyed by all the regulars that are playing at the table. Welcome back to Craps University, your go-to resource for everything craps. Today, we're going to focus on one thing, the very simple thing to get you started playing the game of craps at any time, and that is the buy-in. So craps is fast-paced, it's a rhythm, it's a flow, the shooter's ready, the stickman's moving, bets are coming in, poorly timed buy-in can really put a damper on everything. So when is the best time to buy in? The best time to buy in, look at the puck. When it says off, buy in. That means nobody's waiting for a number to be hit. There's currently not a roll that is trying to hit that number. They're just waiting to take care of a lot of business. Even if a shooter has been shooting for 30 minutes, if the puck is off, it's time to buy in. So that's the appropriate time. If you're trying to get into a roll, then come to the table prepared for anything. Try to get chips at the cashier, at another table. You know, it's all up to you not to disrupt what's currently going on before you really showed up. So when the puck's off, wait. Or when it's on, say it's on a number, just wait. Watch. Don't feel like you have to jump in. If you've got chips, that's great. Play the field. No problem. If you hear the stick man say, dice out, try to stop. Because, throwing stuff in at the last minute, the stick man says dice out, and then he has to pull the dice back. That's terrible. That is just not good practice. So here's how you do it the right way. Step one, lay your money flat on the table, okay? Now, when I say lay it flat, do something like, if the dealer's standing over here, put it in the cum, and they'll move it here, and the box man will count it down. Don't come in and try to fling it around like that. Make it easy for the dealer, okay? Sometimes the dealer will ask you, do you want action? He can see it's hundreds, and you might say, I want to do 110 inside, and they'll put 110 inside for you. Once they count everything down, even if a point's hit, they'll count it down, and they will get your chips out to you. Let's say 1,500 or something like that. And then they'll push the chips to you. Sometimes if you want red, just tell the dealer you want 100 in red. So they know what to do. So if they are counting chips out, let's just say, okay, 100 red, and they're kind of stacking. Don't touch those until they stack them up and push them your way, okay? Then that is the time to pick those chips up, because they're still in process of counting down those chips and making it right for you. Usually, a lot of casinos outside of Las Vegas, the boxman will cut that or count that down, and be in control and tell the dealer how much to give. And if the dealer needs more black, let's just say it's $5,000, they dole out those chips. So what not to do? And we talked about the first one. Don't throw the money on the table during a roll. When the puck's on, you got to wait. Like, just to be frank, because if the stick man has the dice out and you throw money down, that's just bad karma. The dealers won't touch it. It'll just sit there and they won't do anything with it. So there's no use in doing it then. Just wait until the dice have been thrown. If you have to get in when the puck's on, then do it kind of strategically. Don't throw down $5,000 that they have to count down. You might want to do this. Pick $200 or whatever you think your bet is going to be. Don't block the chip tray or lean over the layout, okay? And I talk about leaning over the layout. I'm on the dealer side, but, you know, just don't do that. Put your money in. If it's off, put the money in and go about your business. Don't be a jerk either. Don't reach for the chips, like I said, when they're counting them out in the comb. Don't reach for them. Let the dealer push when they're ready. So here's some bonus etiquette. If the table is packed or the shooter is about to roll, wait. You can always hold your cash and ask the dealer, can I buy in after this roll? Okay? And that means if they don't 7 out and they roll like a 9 and the dealer says, sure, come on. Or they talk to people, let them know, just don't hold up the game. So here's a summary. Best time to buy in, puck off, right? And they usually put it over here in the don't calm, otherwise known as DC. Lay the cash flat, okay? Don't let it spread out where they have to take time and pick it up. Announce your amount clearly. If you got 2,000, say 2,000 cash. Don't buy in mid-roll, and don't do that really ever. And we're talking about buying in with cash. Doing a check change, that might be a little bit different because they don't have to go through the rigorous checking the money to see if it's counterfeit. And this is fake money, by the way. This is not real money. It's what they call movie prop money. If I had those stacks, I'd probably be at the casino right now. And if you check change, say this is 1,000, and you want 500 green, 1,500 black, you can possibly get away with that without any backlash. Wait for the checks play call from the boxman. And I don't necessarily hear that a lot. I hear, okay, and then they push. So buying in might seem simple, but there's some protocol everybody needs to kind of respect at the craps table. You're not there playing by yourself. You're playing with a lot of people. This is a social game. There's 4 basically 4 dealer type people, boxman, stickman, and 2 base dealers. If you found this helpful, go ahead and like and subscribe. If you have some other comments about buy-in, drop me a comment. Let's see what everybody has to say. If you're serious about playing smart, hitting a rhythm, and looking like you belong, you're on the right path. Craps University is here to help. Thanks for watching.